Down the hill towards the coastal roads.
Going coastal tayo ngayon, no?
Yep.
So yung place na we'll be staying tonight is just in front of Mayong Beach. So highest rated siya, exceptional among the hotels sa Goda. Dito, you're not familiar with yung road, yung sloping ng road, makikita mo lang yung curves sa mapa, yung makita kung downward or yeah.
Okay.
Okay, more than 2 minutes to cover. Dapat so what's your comment so far? Your first day in Okinawa?
Nice, nice.
Ha?
Very nice.
Buhay na buhay yung mga kwan dito. Mga pine trees.
But there, ano ba?
Ha?
The way they have vegetated the roads, ganda. So nice.
So the only way na makapunta kayo sa mga place na to kung you really want to go in these places is to rent a car or join tours. So how's your rating of Crown Plaza?
Nice place. Busog-busog. I ate so much.
Problema ngayon sa bagong booking wala tayong food.
Ito tayo. Starve tayo. Mag-starve.
So we'll be buying food sa
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
Yep.
Favorite na
Zack.
Omigiri.
There's an observatory here, but it's like you have to climb so high. So,
Pwede mo along the way man kaya?
hindi, out of the way.
Ha?
Out of the way.
Out of the way? Nice. Parang train ako, no? Polar down. What is this one? Anti-sleeping na lang. Going down. Uy, grabe going down.
Stop.